Well, hello, my little bits of sunshine. Welcome. My name is Veronica, and I am with Chasing Sunshine by Veronica. Today, we're going to be working with this Redesign with Prima mold. Always dust the bottom of your mold with a little bit of cornstarch. This will help prevent the clay from sticking within the mold. I always pay super close attention to the surfaces in which are flatter on the molds. They tend to stick the most for me. So I kind of go a little bit overboard with the cornstarch, but that's just the way I roll. So guys, just stay tuned with me while I press the clay into the molds. I always take a little bit of time when I do this. I try to get the edges as crisp as I possibly can.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover song, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hate Spain, and on my face I feel you breathing next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that much I can say now.
After I pop the clay out of the molds, there always is a little bit of extra cleanup that I want to do to get it as precise as I possibly can. So that's just a dental tool that I got at a yard sale. I got a whole pack of antique tools that appeared to be never be used. Super cool. I just absolutely love these little tools. They're high quality and they get right down into the nitty-gritty and clean all that little extra bits of clay.
Breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea, and that is how it's supposed to be. Now, and that
The
much I can
molds are
say
all cleaned up and now it's time to glue them down onto the
now.
shelf. When I'm gluing something down, I kind of just eyeball
If
the
they don't
subject
love
area
us,
and I try
we
to get
don't
as
need them.
centered as I possibly can, but I don't actually measure. It's
Let's
just
find our
a
own
little bit of
brand of
visual
freedom.
concept for me. And as you can see on the
If
top of
they
that little
don't
shelf
love
there,
us,
I've
we
already
don't
glued
need
down
them.
a mold that I created a little bit earlier today. It's a
Let's
CC
find our
restyled
own brand
mold
of
from
freedom.
Redesign with Prima. If you guys are interested in purchasing any of these products, go on over to our website at chasingsunshinebyv.com and you could purchase them there. We really thank you for your support and
Well, I
we're
don't
almost to the end
mind
of
to
this
slow
video. Stay
down
tuned.
anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore, anymore.
Once you have everything glued down and cleaned up, if you have any imperfections that you see, any cracks or splits in your molds, this is a time to take a little bit of that paper clay and just squish it into the form in which you need. Right here I had a seam that was kind of coming apart after it dried a little bit because this clay does shrink just a tad. So like I just did there, I applied a little bit of that glue onto the area and just squished the paper clay in the little seam. And that's how I fix any imperfections within my clay. And it's just perfectly fine to leave some cracks within your molds. It just adds to the character. If you guys are interested in purchasing these molds, hop on over to our website, chasingsunshinebyv.com, and they are redesigned with Prima molds. We thank you guys for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and follow. And as always, chase that sunshine, whatever that means for you.